Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you division by 10, 100 and 1000. Observe the following pattern carefully and see. When we divide 50 by 1, when we divide any number by 1, the answer will remain same or last may remainder become 0. Same when we are dividing 171 by 10, we are checking that 17 was the quotient here and 1 become the remainder because 10, the table of 10 firstly goes on 1, 10 1 ja 10 and then goes on 10 7 ja 17. Now see the pattern when we are dividing a number by 100. 999 when we are dividing by 100 we are getting quotient as a 9 and these last right side digit become remainder. So what we conclude here, if the divisor is 10, then the last digit right side ka if the divisor is 10, the right side digit will become the remainder and the digit which were left in the left hand side, those will become the quotient. When the divisor is 100, then what happened? Then the very extreme right side 2 digit will become remainder and left one will become quotient. So 99 become remainder and 9 become quotient. Same case when we divide by 1000, then what happened? Then 3 digit from the dividend, right side 3 digit, extreme right side 3 digit will become remainder, like 367 become remainder and 7 become the quotient. So this is the logic which you have to learn. So today I am going to explain exercise 5D. It's all questions are based on this. First fill in the blanks 3200 by 10. In this type of question, no need to do complete division. We can apply your logic that if the divisor is containing 10, then from the dividend, right side, extreme right side, ones place digit will become remainder and rest will be quotient. So what is remainder here? 0 and 320 will be the quotient. In B part, 7320 divided by 10. In divisor there is 10. So what will be the remainder? From the dividend right side, extreme right side, one digit will become remainder. So here remainder will be 0 and 732 this will become quotient. Here also we are dividing it by 10. Divisor containing 10. So dividend ka right side one digit will become remainder. So what is the remainder here? 0 and 83 will be the quotient. When the divisor is having 2 zeros, then what will be the remainder? Directly you can find out your quotient and remainder. Then 2 digit right hand side, extreme right hand side 2 digit will become remainder and rest will be quotient. So here these 2 zeros will be remainder and 6 will be the quotient. Same here, 3600 divided by 100. Divisor containing 2 zeros, 100 means here are 2 zeros. So from the dividend, last extreme right side 2 zeros will become remainder and rest will be quotient. So what is the remainder here? 0. Quotient will be 36. 9000 divided by 1000. What will be the remainder here? Without division आप बता सकते हो कि these 3 zeros, these will be the remainder and rest digit 9, left side digit it will become quotient. So what is the quotient here? 1000 से 9000 को 1000 से divide करेंगे, your quotient will be 9 and these 3 zero will be your remainder. Same case here, the digit is 2,30,000 divided by 1000. In this 1000 divisor containing 3 zeros. So what will be the remainder? Extreme right side 3 zeros will become your remainder and quotient will be 230. So in quotient you will write here 230, in remainder you will write the 3 zeros. 2654 divided by 100. In 100 there are 2 zeros. So remainder will be extreme right side 2 digit 54. 54 will be your remainder, and what left? 26. This 26 will be your quotient. In C part, again 25,607 we are going to divide by 100. So what happened? The right side, dividend की right side की 2 digit will become remainder. 707 will be the remainder. You will write here. And what is left? 256. That will be your quotient that you will write here. 1,20,001 divided by 100. Divisor has 2 zeros. So these 2 digit will become our remainder from the dividend. So extreme right side की 2 digit क्या है? 0 and 1. ये आपका remainder हो जाएगा, and rest one will be your quotient. So 1200 will be your quotient. So what is quotient here? 1200, and remainder is 101. 4,60,723 divided by 1000. Without division you can get your answer. Without division, proper division steps, आप सीधा directly answer find out कर सकते हो. When the divisor is containing 10, 20, 30. If it is containing 10, तो dividend का right side ones place digit will become remainder, and rest one divisor, rest one quotient. And if the divisor containing 20 means 100 से divide करना है, तो डिविडेंड की राइट साइड 2 digit will be remainder, and left one digit, left side digit will become quotient. And when we are dividing by 1000, there are 3 zeros. So it means remainder की from the dividend right side 3 digit will be remainder, and left side rest digit will be quotient. So यहाँ पर 723 will become remainder, and 460 will be the quotient. These questions, few questions I will explain you through the board also. So first of all, you have to learn this rule that when we are dividing by 10, then what happened? Suppose the question is 6,952, we have to divide by 10. So what will be the quotient here? What will be the remainder here? Student, divisor में 10 है. So from the dividend extreme right side जो ones place की digit है, that will become remainder. So what is the remainder here? 2. और जो left का हो जाता है, the digit which were left, that will be your quotient. 6,695 will be your quotient. You can check this also. If you want to check, you can check it. 6,952. When you will divide by 10, read the table of 10 near about 69. Table goes on 6. 10 6 are 60. Now 95 है. Table goes on 9. 10 9s are 90. 5 bring down 2. Now table goes on 10 5s are 50. So here also you can check. Remainder is 2. हमने भी रिमाइंडर क्या लिखा था? रिमाइंडर इज 2, and quotient is 695. So without division you get your answer. How did you get the answer? When we are dividing by 10, 10 contains 1 0. So remainder be from the dividend right side, extreme right side 1 digit will be the remainder, rest will be your quotient. Second example, suppose 76,055 we are going to divide by 10. Then also it is containing 1 digit, 1 0. So dividend से extreme right side 1 digit will become remainder. So remainder is 5 here, and rest will become your quotient. So what is quotient here? 7,605. It is your answer. Okay. What happened when we are going to divide by 100? When we are dividing by 100, then what happened? The question is 25,687 we are going to divide by 100. So in 100 there are 2 zeros. So from the dividend also 2 digit will become remainder. Right side, extreme right side 2 digit will become remainder. So what is the remainder here? Remainder is 87 and division answer is 256. The digit which were left hand side, those will be your answer. So directly without division you find out the answer. Next example, suppose the number is 2,30,987. We are going to divide it by 100. In 100 there are 2 zeros. So it means dividend key 2 digit will become our remainder. So what is remainder here? 87. You can write here remainder is 87. And the left out digit, these are 2,309. This will be your quotient. So 2,309 will become your quotient. And 2 digit according to the divisor में 2 zeros है, तो right side का dividend की 2 digit become remainder. What happen in the case of when we are going to divide by 1000? Example is 4,64,729. We are going to divide by 1000. So the 1000 contains 3 zeros, 3 digit hai, 3 zeros are there. So from the dividend last 3 digit will become remainder. So what is the remainder here? Remainder is 729 and the rest digit which were left, that will become your quotient. So what is quotient here? Division answer is here 464. This you can check through your division also. 4,64,729 you are going to divide by 1000. Here 4 digits, तो आपको यहाँ से भी 4 digit लेना होगा. Check with table of 1. 1 4s are 4. So means 1000 we will multiply by 4, it become 4000. 4s are, I will write here 4000 under the number, subtract it, bring down next digit. 1, check with 1, 1 6s are 6. So our near about table is 1 6 are 6, it will become 6000. 6 is your quotient, you will write at the top. 6000 you will write here under this, subtract it, bring down next number 9. 1 again check, 1 4s are 4, table goes on 4s are. 1000 multiply by 4 become 4000. So it means here firstly it goes on 4000. This was this left to bring down. Then it goes on 6,000. Then we bring down 9 here. Now it goes on 4 you will write here 4000. Subtract it, 729 is your remainder. And that already आपको पता लग गया था कि 729 is remainder. Quotient is 464. Here also we have written 464. So without division you get the answer by using the trick that divisor, if divisor is containing 1 0, then 1 digit will be the remainder. Extreme right side 1 digit will become remainder. If divisor is 100, then 2 digit will be the remainder. Right side 2 digit will become remainder if it is 100. Okay. And when it is 1000, when we are going to divide by 1000, then 3 digit will become your remainder. Right side 3 digit will become your remainder. So all the questions of this exercise are based on this. So before doing, it's my request to you, firstly go through this, read it very carefully, and last, this one also very important. Thus we conclude that if the divisor is 10, the last digit, rightmost last digit of the dividend become remainder, and the number formed by the remaining digit and remaining digits से जो number बनता है that will be your quotient. If the divisor is 100, the number formed by last 2 digit, right side की 2 digit का जो number है, that will be your remainder, and remaining digit से जो number बनता है, that will be your quotient. If the divisor is 1000, the number formed by the last 3 digit, right side की जो 3 digit हैं, those will be remainder, and remaining digit left hand side, though, that will become your quotient. So I think this is clear to you, student. Thank you. Have a nice day. Today's your homework is exercise 5D. You have to do in the book. You can do it directly in the